So this is production of a business plan by essentially working out how much it will cost to install the equipment, how much it will cost to monitor the equipment, and the main premise of the business plan is we're changing emergency repairs into predictive repairs. So as I said, it's 8 to 10 times more expensive to carry out an emergency repair as it is to carry out a planned intervention. And also within this we've got clean water energy. So essentially, as you can imagine, you've got a number of water treatment works that are converting raw water from different sources into clean water. Some sources are far more energy efficient and some sources cost far more chemical. So what happens is, if you have a problem at one site and that factory no longer can produce water, you're having it to produce it elsewhere, so that can be at a much greater expense. So essentially what we did is we did a population plan of all the assets, what the failure rates are, and worked out how much the failure rates costed. And then what we said is the Samford equipment, we didn't plan it to catch every failure, we planned it to catch half of the failures. So then we could work out how much that failure would save over a long period, because this is, as I said, this is a business plan to basically try and monetize we're going to react now so that we won't see this failure.